In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful fall-themed care package for your college student. So we're starting off with a mug from the Dollar General, and this one was $3. And it just sets the tone. It's trendy. It's got this beautiful matte finish, and I just thought it would be perfect. Another thing they were selling at Dollar General for $1 were these monogrammed decorations that you can hang on your doorknob or wherever else in your dorm room that you want to. So this I'm just going to stick in my mug and attach it to some mug cake mix that I made. So first I started off with a recipe card that I created that I will link below, and it tells you how to make a dorm room mug cake using the ingredients I provided. So think about the fact that college students don't have things like measuring spoons, oil, or butter. And so I tailored the online recipes I found to make it easy for someone to make one of these in a dorm room from the ingredients that you mailed them in the care package. So you're going to start off with a pre-measured bag or container of pumpkin muffin mix from Trader Joe's. So I measured 5 tablespoons and put a little sticker from Trader Joe's that they'll give you at the checkout counter if you ask them. So you're gonna put that in your mug. This is what the stickers look like. I'm gonna stick those in the care package too, just for some extra flair. Okay, so then, you know, like I said, they're not gonna have butter or oil. So you're going to give them a container of applesauce, and I put another sticker on there. And the recipe card calls for 4 plastic disposable spoonfuls of applesauce. Okay, so they don't have any measuring spoons, but they do have disposable plastic spoons, and you can throw one in there. Also at Trader Joe's, speaking of spoons, they have these at the front counter. If you're checking out, you can ask for a spoon, and they'll give you this beautifully packaged arty spoon. You can include that. Okay. Now, we're moving along, and I found some other treats at Trader Joe's that really say fall. Now this one looks delicious. Chocolate mousse pumpkin velvety chocolate cakes layered with silky mousse. What college student wouldn't love these to share with their friends? So they're nice and thick, and they look so fresh. Keep in mind that they have an expiration date. It's about 7 days from the time I purchased it. So you want to plan ahead and get this in the mail quickly. The other amazing fall treat that they had that would be perfect for a dorm room is this chocolate collection. It's called the Harvest Chocolate Collection. So these are all miniature chocolates that look like gourds, pumpkins, and Indian corn. They are going to love this, and this is also shareable, which is excellent in a care package. I also bought a box of fruit and grain bars made by Trader Joe's, their brand. And this one is called This Pumpkin Walks Into a Bar. So it's cute. They really know how to label their products. So we'll put that in there. And don't forget the recipe card. This you can print on your own home printer. I used college ruled paper because I thought it gave it that academic feel. Thought it was a little bit interesting. So stick that right in. Now, I have 2 more things. I decided to get creative, and I did a little sketch of some pumpkins on a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to put it in an envelope and put it in so that they just know that they are loved and we are rooting for them. And college is hard, but we believe in them, and we are giving them all of this fantastic food and gifts so that they can know that we are supporting them and cheering them on from home. And I thought maybe this would inspire them to do their own art, so I wanted to give them the opportunity to create their own art. So the pens that I used to create that card, I decided, well, why not just throw them in the box? So I'm giving them some fall colored markers and this little easel and canvas that I bought at Five Below for $1 to inspire them to decorate their desk for fall. So I hope your college student knows that you are thinking about them and rooting for them and cheering them on from home. and I hope you enjoy your fall season. Bye-bye.